Low-carb spaghetti recipe, Zoodle Bolognese, Keto Comfort in 30 minutes. Craving Italian without the carb overload? This low-carb Zoodle Spaghetti Bolognese is your answer. Ditch the noodles for veggie spirals and whip up a rich, meaty sauce in under 30 minutes, perfect for keto, paleo, and low-carb lifestyles. Serves 4 ingredients. Zoodles. 2 large zucchinis. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Freshly ground black pepper to taste. Bolognese sauce. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/2 onion, diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 pound ground beef, 90% lean or higher. 1 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes. Half a cup tomato paste. A quarter cup dry red wine, optional. 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/4 teaspoon dried thyme. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Toppings, optional. Fresh basil leaves, chopped. Grated Parmesan cheese. Sliced fresh mozzarella. Crushed red pepper flakes. Instructions. 1. Make the zoodles. Spiralize the zucchinis using a spiralizer or a veggie noodle cutter. Toss with olive oil, oregano, salt, and pepper. Set aside. 2. Start the sauce. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add onion and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. 3. Brown the meat. Add ground beef and cook, breaking it up with a spatula until browned. Drain any excess fat. 4. Simmer the sauce. Add crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, red wine if using, oregano, thyme, and red pepper flakes if using. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Bring to a simmer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. 5. Cook the zoodles. While the sauce simmers, heat a large pot of salted water to boiling. Add the zoodles and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until al dente. Drain and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking. 6. Serve. Divide zoodles among plates and top with Bolognese sauce. Garnish with your favorite toppings like fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella, or crushed red pepper flakes. Tips. For thicker sauce, you can simmer longer or add a teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with a little water at the end. Use any type of ground meat you like, such as turkey, chicken, or a blend. Add chopped vegetables like bell peppers or mushrooms to the sauce for extra flavor and nutrients. Leftovers store well in the fridge for up to 3 days. Reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave. Enjoy this delicious and satisfying low-carb Zoodle Spaghetti Bolognese. It's the perfect way to indulge in Italian comfort food without sacrificing your goals. Buon appetito!